In this video, I am going to show you how you can do like this in your iPhone. For example, I open YouTube here. I open this video. I make it bigger. Now at left bottom side or at left right side, I swipe to the top and the videos comes on my screen. I can make it bigger like this. I can just move back to every position like top, bottom, like swipe to left, it will be disappear on your screen, and you can use your phone, and also you can make it smaller like this and use your phone while watching or listening any YouTube video. And this functionality also works on other application and also on websites. Now how you can enable that functionality, what you need to do is go to settings. Now in settings, search for general, click on general. Then in here, search for picture in picture, click on picture in picture, and just let me just swipe down and enable this option start PIP automatically. After this, you can easily use those functionality we just mentioned earlier. And if you have any question, comment down below, and hopefully you'll like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Thanks for watching.